Hello everybody, welcome back to Brandon Makes. Today I am going to make krop. I don't know if this is authentic to Thai recipe, but this is how we eat it and that's how we like it. Let's start! First, you put your vegetable stock. Once the broth is boiling, you put in your hoisin sauce. And then next, your oyster sauce. And then last, your fish sauce. So while you're waiting it to boil, you can add your onions. And then your chicken. While you're waiting, you can put these bowls in the sink. And then you wait for your broth to boil. Since I like eating vegetables with the krop, I like to add baby corn and I like to add baby bok choy. If you don't know what bok choy is, it has a thing in the bottom which looks like celery, and it has a thing in the top that looks like spinach. And what I put to thicken the sauce is that I put cornstarch to thicken it. So since my chicken is done, now I would add my corn, baby corn with liquid on it. And then I add my bok choy. It looks like a lot, but it will wilt down when I mix it. So now that the bok choy has wilted down, I'll put my cornstarch. But you want to make sure that you don't put too much, because if you do, that means the sauce will be too thick. So I have to mix it a little because it will go down to the bottom if I don't mix it, and I won't be able to pour it. So what I do is put a little bit of cornstarch. And now you stir it. So I see that the broth is not thick enough, so I have to put a little more cornstarch into it. So you have to see it boil so that you can see it is getting to start thickening. See how beautiful, nice, and thick the sauce is? Now it's time that we make our noodles. Okay, since I have my noodles ready and my oil is hot, now it's time we put the noodles. but you have to watch it very carefully because it starts to cook fast, and you have to watch it because it might splash onto you. And make sure you have enough room to it so it can rise. Okay, so it's time to flip it. It just takes a couple of seconds, so you have to watch it. And you have to drain the rest of the liquids out. Isn't it cool? Because it's like magic, and it's gonna taste very yummy with my sauce. To let you know, this is Chinese egg noodle. You can buy it from the Asian store. So since we have enough noodles, we are going to put it together now. So now we have our perfect portion for one person. We have our noodles, and we have our beautiful sauce that contains baby corn, bok choy, chicken, and vegetable broth. And now we are about to put it in the noodles now. Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. Let's see if it passed or not. This is bomb. I love it. This is delicious. I like the crispiness of the noodles. And the chicken tastes great. I hope you try my krop recipe. See you in the next video. Bye.